but I think this is just a start because it clearly needs some tweaking, and I'm working on tweaking this model to make it work much better. So if DF close, if not in position, if DF close, market buy, I think we gotta say keep going. Okay, I like this implementation better. Keep going. Here's the rest of the code. So this one looks better because it says if DF close is bigger than this, and then if not in position, and it says in position equals false. But how does it get the in position? So I'm going to say in the above code, check to see if in the above code have the in position variable check the exchange to see if we are already in a position. So this is pretty like interesting, right? Because it looks like really good code, and if you don't know how to code, it's like, oh my god, it just built me a bot instantly. And like if you just, even like as a coder, I look over this, I'm like, holy smokes, this built a perfect trading bot for me. But in reality, look at this. We've had to tweak it multiple times.